Welcome guys to this new crash course on FlutterFlow. In this course we are going to discuss about how to create a nutrition AI agent, and with the help of this AI agent you will be able to ask any queries regarding your nutrition. So first let me show you the demo what exactly we are going to create to give you a basic idea. Okay, so currently we have this nutrition AI, and here when I ask this AI agent like I want a low calorie diet along with nutrition details. Okay, so this is the query which I have passed to the AI agent, and let's see what's the response from this AI agent. So as you can see the response: in breakfast I got this low calorie diet, in lunch this diet, in dinner this diet. You can ask more questions like suggest me more meal ideas. Okay, suggest me more meal ideas. This AI response will give you more details. Okay, so here we got more scrambled eggs. Okay, smoothie with Greek yogurt. So that's how this nutrition AI agent will work. If you are new to FlutterFlow and want more in-depth knowledge about FlutterFlow, you can check out my other FlutterFlow courses where I have explained about FlutterFlow in more depth. Like this is a 6.5 hours course, a grocery delivery e-commerce app where we have created a complete e-commerce app from scratch, and there we have learned the functionalities like add to cart, payment gateways. Everything you need to know about FlutterFlow is explained in this course. Also you can check out my other courses like online courses app and dating app course as well. So if you want more in-depth knowledge about FlutterFlow with specific use cases, these are the best courses. You can search for FlutterFlow on Udemy and you can get the course at top here. Okay, you can check out these courses. In this course I am more focused on the AI agents. This is the most powerful thing which you can do using FlutterFlow. Also you will get to learn about other things which I haven't explained in other courses like data types, how to use these data types, how to distinguish the response from user and AI agent. For example, this message is coming from user and this message is coming from AI agent. So we have to distinguish the messages, and also how to create this to get the best data from AI agent, how to set up this AI agent in Firebase and use this in FlutterFlow. Everything is covered step by step in the risk-free 30-day money-back guarantee course. If you are really interested in learning with me, definitely check out this course today. Okay guys, so see you in the course. Join today itself.